I'm gonna tell you the difference between our new easy release ratchet and the regular one. This is the regular ratchet that people use, and I'm gonna tell you the difference between the regular ratchet and our easy release ratchet. How to use it? It's very simple. This is the regular one. You have to crank to make the slot at the right position. Then you can insert the webbing inside the ratchet. Now you can crank it. But there's a problem on a regular ratchet. When you have more webbing on the mandrel, it's gonna, very difficult to release the webbing. Sometimes people have to pull it really hard. Every ratchet has this kind of problem. So I'm gonna use another way to take the webbing out. It's really time consuming. Sometimes if people cannot release it, people just bring scissors to cut it down. And in this demonstration, I will show you how good our easy release ratchet is. This is our special design easy release ratchet. So like what I said before, you use the regular ratchet. You have to crank it first. You have to let the slot at the right position. So you have to crank it. But sometimes you miss it. But our easy release ratchet is totally different. What we need to do is go to release position. And actually, we can use our finger to adjust the slot position. Once the slot at right position, we can insert the webbing inside the slot. Then we can crank it. Like what I said, if we have more webbing on the mandrel, it's gonna very difficult to release the webbing. But our easy release ratchet is totally different. Let me show you now. Now we have a lot of webbing on the mandrel. You can see, from the camera. But now I will have more. You can see here, it has a lot of webbing on the mandrel now. If you use traditional ratchet, it's very difficult to release the webbing. Let me show you now. This is easy release ratchet. So what I need to do is go to the release position and use my two fingers to pull it out. Simple as that. This is not magic because we have redesigned the ratchet. So we put a cap outside and also put a gear outside. Also, we already have pattern on it. Very special ratchet. And welcome to buy easy release ratchet. Thank you.